So let's talk about how to apply the big hair food. So for my 3B to 4C textured hair, we're talking kinky, curly, wavy, thick, kind of like my hair, um, coarse hair. If your hair can handle using oils, if you grew up greasing your scalp, you would use this method. You're going to shampoo, use a deep conditioner, rinse the deep conditioner out, use a leave-in if you use a leave-in, and then this will be your last step. You're going to apply this to a damp scalp. If you want to add gentle heat to open up the cuticles, you can. It's not necessary, but it does help. And you're going to leave this in. Then you're going to proceed to styling your hair. Do not rinse it out. If you need to reapply to a dry scalp throughout the week, that is perfectly fine. Just start on a damp scalp to seal the oils in. So for my 2A to 3A hair textures, now this is for people that cannot handle oils, whose hair gets easily weighed down from using oils. You're going to use this as a pre-poo. So will be your first step on wash day. So you're going to apply this to your scalp, apply some gentle heat, get a heating cap or something, or a hooded dryer, get under there for about 5-10 minutes, and then you're going to wash this out. And then you're going to condition, and then you're going to style per usual. Or you can even sleep in it and then wash in the morning. So that is the first method is definitely preferred. You'll see better results. But if your hair can't handle the oils and they get weighed down, there's another way to use this product.